Hey there, travelers. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the beach club in our one-bedroom suite. This is in Ocean City, New Jersey, a family favorite for sure, right on the boardwalk. My husband's family has been coming here for years, and we absolutely love it. It's so nice, so family friendly, and just a great place to stay. So you have a ton of storage here, drawers here for the pull-out couch. And you have a nice mirror here. This is your table to sit and eat at with 4 chairs. And then this is actually a sliding door here. Then they have connecting rooms. This is a pull-out couch, so you can get 2 more people in here. And then this is on wheels, so you can move this around. So you have a really nice little seating area here. You have a little kitchenette here. Has induction burner. And you have the toaster, you have some knives, coffee pot, the sink, a small dishwasher, ignore our trash there. Bunch of little storage here. And up here, I almost missed it because I'm so short, is the microwave. And here you have cups and plates and bowls. And then you have silverware, wine opener, lids, and some skillets. And there's your pots. And under here, you have a strainer and some dishwashing tablets and a stopper. So then this is full of dish detergent. And you have your bathroom right here. So they do give you a tissues, cups, and it does have a hair dryer here. And it actually works very well. And you have some shower caps, some hand soap, and then it does have it's kind of awkward, but it does make it nice to have a little extra counter space here. And then it does have, we used most of the towels, we're getting ready to leave, so excuse that. Then in the tub, they do have full size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So if your hair's not finicky, unlike mine, you don't have to bring yours. And then this is the 1 bedroom. This is the 2 queen suite. We're leaving, so I try and make up the beds up a little nice. So sorry I didn't get a video before that. So you have this little bench right here. And then pro tip, make sure you check to see if the alarm is off. This thing woke us up at 6 in the morning the first night here. Then you have storage drawers. 3 storage drawers here. And then this actually goes the whole length over to the other wall, so it's really nice to block out all the light. Then it's a sliding door with a balcony. Let's go out there real quick. We have a couple chairs. It's nasty and cold and rainy today. Shut that. And then you have all of these drawers, and there's a TV here, a really nice mirror. This is my favorite part, is the closet. So you have the ironing board, you have some hangers, some extra blankets, a safe right there, and then, hello, full-length mirror. Must have. Absolutely love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you enjoy the beach club suites. So I'll see you next time.